Interior plant decoration not only improves air quality, it also brightens up our mood and enhances our room's aesthetics. We should definitely implement this concept in our workspace as well. Shorten the horizontal beam of the FlexiSpot height adjustable desk all the way, reaching 43.4 inches. Prepare a 47 by 19.6 inch desk board in 4 strips, with 2 measuring 35.4 by 1.96 inches each, and the other 2 measuring 22.4 by 1.96 inches each. Affix the strips onto the desk board. Make 4 furniture legs according to your preferred shape. Secure the furniture legs onto the desk board. On the desk board, lay turf according to your design. On the turf, add plantscaping material, absorbing radiation and beautifying the workspace. Secure a 47 by 19.6 inch glass desktop onto the furniture legs. A practical and charming desk is complete. Indoor plants bring relaxation and calmness, helping reduce stress. They can purify the air and reduce carbon dioxide in air-conditioned offices by about 10%. They also reduce noise by absorbing sound. If you have even better ideas to share, let me know in the comments.